In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to assemble the DI of ACB in the correct way. First off, let me show you the previous and improved DI of ACB. If you look at the previous product, you can see that the wires are crossed. However, for the improved one, the wires are connected in a straight line. Also, if you look at the end of the wire, it does not have seal, whereas it has seal at the end of the wire. Now that we have seen what the correct assembly looks like, from now on I will explain how to reassemble DI properly. Firstly, loosen the nuts and bolts of door side and then remove the wire from the hole. Then exchange the position. After switching the position, tighten the bolt first and then the nut. Next, loosen the nut and bolt fastened to the ACB side. Then pull out the wire completely. After that, insert the sealed wire to the door side DI as shown in this picture. Now check your ACB DI has the right position. Like this and like this. With ACB in off status, rotate the latch as shown in this picture. Then pull the wire on the ACB side to make wire tighten. At the same time, tighten headless bolts and then the nuts to fix the wire. While keeping ACB off status, pull the L-shaped lever on the door side as shown in this picture. Then push the lever down. While pressing it, pull the wire to make wire tighten. Then tighten the headless bolt first and then the nut to fix the wire. Now let's see how to verify the normal operation of DI. First off, make ACB off and charge state. While pressing L-shaped lever, make ACB on state. If it works, it is normal. However, if ACB can be on without pressing the lever, it is abnormal. If so, wire adjustment is required. When the ACB status is off, the latch goes up, and when the ACB status is on, the latch goes down. If the latch does not move properly, check that the action has been taken as described. That's all for how to reassemble the DI. Thank you for watching.